Today is March 17th. It is St. Patty's Day, and this is my 62nd week taking Mounjaro. Yay! I'm still on vacation, and today is my 35th wedding anniversary with Jeff.
What?
Yeah! I was hoping maybe to do a quick live, but I am in my old roommate's driveway. I'm staying at her home in Florida. We had so much fun today. We got to explore her beautiful city, and we spent some time by the ocean, and it was really a wonderful, fun anniversary. And Amy and Chris made us cabbage and corned beef and cabbage and potatoes in the crock pot while we were exploring the city all day. We came back and had dinner. It was so good, and watched a movie and just had a wonderful, wonderful time. And now it is time for me to take my 60-second shot of Mounjaro.
Your sicky what?
Yeah, my 60-second shot. We did have some grasshoppers today, this evening. So delicious. It was one of our favorite drinks to make when we were roommates. I had a blender and
the drink, not the bug.
The drink, not the bug. But anyway, it's time for me to take my shot. Trying to think, where should I take it today, Jeff? Where do you think?
The van.
The van! I think I did my arm for my 61st shot. So let's do my tummy today. So I took this out of the refrigerator just a few minutes ago. Usually it's best, I like to keep it out of the refrigerator for 30 minutes or more before I give myself my shot. But because when you do give it straight from the refrigerator, it does have a little bit of a sting because the needle is so cold and the medicine is so cold. But when you warm it up, it is really pretty painless. So I've been rubbing it between my hands like this to try to warm it up. And it actually doesn't feel too bad. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Trying to think any tips and tricks that I had today. I don't know. Try to exercise a little bit each day if you can. When we were walking around the city, I am at 10,719 steps. Yay! Hoping that when I get back from vacation and I step on the scale, I will have not gained weight this vacation. Hopefully I will have lost some or maintained, but getting that through trying to do some exercise like getting steps or swimming. And today was a step day. Okay, let's see. What am I doing? I need to, I always buy an alcohol pad, so my skin is clean when I give myself my shot. I get one of these. All right, we're going for the tummy. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. And even if you give yourself a shot in the stomach, you're supposed to be within 2 inches of your belly button or farther out, but not more than, not closer than 2 inches from your belly button. And that's because the tissue in your stomach around your belly button, I don't know, it's extra fibrous or something, but for some reason they do not want you to do your shot there. But you're to move it around and to put it in a different spot in your stomach area, but not too close to your belly button. And I think I'm going to go for about 11 o'clock right here because I'm feeling extra lucky, and 11 is our favorite number. So let's go here. And I'm feeling lucky since it's St. Patrick's Day and our 35th wedding anniversary. And I'm feeling pretty blessed to be married to Jeff. All right. First thing you do when giving yourself your shot is you must take off the cap. If you don't take off the cap first, you'll ruin your shot. I've done that before too. Big mistake. So cap's off.
I've seen this before somewhere.
Yes. And then I twist from lock to unlock. All right. I said I cleaned
11
o'clock. All righty. And then next, on my clean skin, I'm going to push down the button and hold it for a few seconds until I hear the second click.
I heard both of them.
There we go. And I absolutely did not feel that.
Oh, good.
So, yay.
So you warmed it up enough.
I warmed it up enough. And I can see the plunger instead of liquid right there. And so that lets me know that the medicine really did go in, even though I didn't feel it. So cool beans. So that's in and done. I think any other tips or tricks? Oh, for this week. Just if you ever try to take Miralax for constipation, be sure you drink plenty of water, because Miralax only works if you stay hydrated, and not just while you take the medicine, but hydrated throughout the day. It'll work a lot better because it does require water. And I guess that's about it. Do you have any marital advice, Jeff?
Marital advice.
For having a happy marriage that lasts at least 35 years?
Well, they say happy wife, happy life. I usually try to do just whatever you tell me to, dear.
Yeah, we didn't pre-plan this. Jeff just said, oh my gosh, you can't take your medicine. I was like, oh my gosh, we just watched a movie.
I do have some advice.
Oh,
Ready?
okay.
Say you're in a place that's like a vacation place. And say you're walking through the shopping little stores with your wife. And say she sees something in a little store that she wants for her anniversary. I say, get it for her.
Hey, should we show them what you got me?
Well, that's not here, so...
Oh, it's in the house.
Yes, it
isn't
is.
Oh, shoot.
That's all right.
Oh, shoot.
So, no, maybe we'll have to reveal that later.
All right, we'll reveal that next week. The anniversary present that Jeff bought for me when we went shopping, and the anniversary present I bought for Jeff.
That sounds good.
While we went shopping. But yeah, I don't want to... Amy and her husband Chris just went to bed, and they have to work in the morning. So we came out to the van so I can give myself my shot and take my medicine, and then go back into her house and go to bed. So I don't want to wake them up. So we'll do next week's video. We'll share what we gave us as our anniversary presents. So,
Do you have any marital advice?
Marital advice.
And is it get the thing that your husband wants for his anniversary present?
Yeah, absolutely. I say always be sure to think about the other person, and always want the best for the other person. And so if I'm always wishing the best and hoping for the best and trying to do the best for Jeff, and Jeff's wishing and hoping the best for me and trying to do the best for me, wow, that just makes it all super nice.
So wait a minute. So your advice sounds so much better than my advice.
Just to be
Thanks
kind
a lot.
to each other. Yeah. And you know what? And to be each other's best friend.
Okay. Wait, I got one more thing then.
Too. Okay. What else do you have?
It's to have a sense of humor and joke with each other, because laughter is something that can make you both happy.
You know what? That is true. I have to admit that is how Jeff won my heart. It was through his humor. He was the funniest guy I ever dated. And that just helped me to know that no matter how horrible things might end up being from time to time in life, if I have someone I can laugh with, then it's all worthwhile.
Yep.
And Jeff has been that special guy for me. He's always able to make me laugh. Even if I'm very sad, he can say something or do something silly to make me laugh. And that's been really helpful.
Okay, now I had some good advice too.
Yeah, so that was good advice too.
Okay.
Other advice that we'd gotten right before we got married is some successful married couples had told us not to go to bed angry. And I will tell you, there were some nights we didn't go to bed till really, really late. But we always worked out any argument we had before we went to sleep. So that's also really good advice.
Yes. Yes, dear. I am not angry.
I'm just tired and want to go to sleep.
I want to go to sleep.
See,
All
there
right.
you go. The humor makes it all worthwhile.
Humor.
Yeah. And I do want you to know that I do miss doing our lives because we have the best community here on Anchor Moments, and I'm missing Deb and Robin and Nathan and all our buddies, Sandra, Barb. Oh my gosh, so many of you. I'm missing you and our Pams. We have more than one Pam that are wonderful Pams that usually show. Just know that we will be doing some lives again soon. And I just want to thank you all for being a part of this Anchor Moment community. And I just know we're going to all get really healthy together. So thanks for being on this journey with me. Hold on to your anchor moments and make it a great day. Bye-bye.